Let us discuss quarterly results which are scheduled to be declared on 22nd May. First is Grasim Industries. So revenue expectations from this company is 6356 and net profit expectation is 159. In the last year same quarter, company's sales was 6646 and net profit was around 96. So street is expecting a slight drop in its sales. However, it is expecting profit to grow up. So there is an expectation of increase in OPM, and that is why we could see net profit expectations are high. If we look at company's technicals, then company is trading within a range of its increasing trend lines. Currently it is above its upper band and trying to take a support there. If results are in line, then we can expect it not to break down that upper trend line support. However, if results are not as per the expectations, then we can expect stock to go down to the levels of 2300. Next stock we'll discuss is 197 Communications, that is Paytm. So Paytm is like a last bencher guy in the classroom. Teacher is not expecting anything from this guy. Revenue expectations from Paytm is 2343 crores and net profit is minus 431. So street is expecting it to deliver a negative profit, that is it is expecting it to deliver losses. In the last year same quarter, company sales was 1804 and net profit was minus 203. So street is expecting an increase in revenue, however further increase in its losses. Looking at company's technicals, then company's current trading at a stock price of around 351, which is also acting like a support. But as long as company facing heat with respect to regulatory issues, we cannot expect stock to go up in long run. Also company need to show profit. We saw it in case of Zomato that once Zomato started delivering profit, then stock price also started to go up. So Paytm also will have to show such results, but till then stock is not looking good. Next company we'll discuss is Sun Pharma. Street is expecting revenue of 12,233 and net profit of 2,441. In the previous year same quarter, company showed sales of 10,931 and a profit of 1,983. So street is expecting good increase in both its revenue and net profit. It is expecting around 20% growth both in revenue and net profit. Talking about company's technicals, then since expectations are high, we can see that stock price also is around its all-time high. Company has took a resistance of around 1650 and it's currently trading at a slightly discount, trading at a stock price of around 1541. If results beat expectations, then we can expect stock to go further up. It can break its resistance and reach its all-time high. This company we'll discuss is Indigo Paints. Street is expecting revenue of around 388 crores and net profit of 56 crores. In last year same quarter, company gave sales of 325 crores and net profit of 49 crores. So we could see that expectations from sales growth expectations are higher compared to profit growth, and the reason, as we all know, is because of entry of Grasim. Grasim itself has shown good results and good expectations, but it has made life difficult for all other twin companies. Margins for all these companies have dropped because of Grasim's entry. We'll have to see how that competition works out in future. But looking at company's technicals, Indigo Paints technicals, company's current trading price is around 1424. It has an accumulation range between 2070 to 1400, and we can expect it to break down if results are poor, since all the other paint companies are not performing well. But if results are in line and if they beat expectation, then this can be a good accumulation range for this stock. Next company which we'll discuss is Jubilant Foodworks. Revenue expectation from street is 1331 and net profit expectation is 50 crores. In the Previous year same quarter, company showed sales of 1270 and net profit of 29. So we can see here the expectation in terms of sales growth is not that high. However, street is expecting margin expansion, and hence it is expecting net profit to grow by around 60%. Looking at company's technicals, company is trading near its long-term support. Again, if results are in line or beats, then this can be a good buying range of around 420. Please note that this is not an advice to buy or sell stock. Please do your due diligence before making entry to any stock, since stock market is a risky affair. Company is Gland Pharma. Street is expecting revenue of 1532 and net profit of 239. In last year same quarter, company showed sales of 785 crores and net profit of 79 crores. So we can see expectations are pretty high from this company in this quarter. Looking at its technical, company is again at its support. Even if it meets its expectation, then we can expect company to go higher, since it has been trading near its listing price. Last company which we'll discuss is GMM Pfaudler. Street is expecting revenue of 925 and net profit of 75. In last year same quarter, company delivered sales of 866 and net profit of 36. So street is expecting it to improve its profit margin. It is expecting a decent growth in sales and a good growth in terms of net profit. Talking about company's technicals, company is current trading at a stock price of around 1400. If it shows inline results and if stock comes down to around 1200, then that can be a good accumulation range for this stock.